Guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to discover any domain name, expiration date, and all the information about the domain. For example, creation date, who is the owner, where it has been created, the amount of IP address changed, and other important information. Imagine that we are looking for some IP address, for some domain address or some website, and you don't know how it's gonna expire, the domain is no longer be used, but you need to know when it's gonna be available so you can purchase it. I'm using some big companies example so you can learn that you can check any domain name, but let's focus into the Nike one, for example, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to Google and type domain in tools. So just like this, domain tools. Okay, you're gonna be able to find this website right here, WHOIS.domaintools.com. Click on it. It's really simple. All you have to do right here is enter with the domain name. In my case, it's gonna be Nike.com, just like this. Okay, all you have to type is Nike.com. Type enter, and you're gonna discover very interesting information. Okay, for example, the register is Mark Monitor. Here is the information about the register. There is some numbers that you can call. The date is 11,000 days. It has been created on 1995 and expires on 2026 3004. Okay, the updated was on 2024. Right here you can learn all of the information about servers, who is record. So this is very interesting information. It's public, okay, so that is why this website records have this information, and you can do the same process with any domain that you want. For example, okay, so let me go back and try apple.com. So here is the register. Dates created on 1987 is a quite old domain, okay? Expires on 2026 0520. Okay, so here is all the information that you are looking for, the information that you need, and you can see some other nice info about all the domains on the world. These ones right here is just an example. Of course, they will never let these domains expire, but if you are looking for some other domain name, you can check it right here and learn how it's gonna expire and purchase it in a cheaper price, okay? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.